In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post through Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through the full process, from opening Meta Business Suite to publishing or scheduling your post on Facebook, Instagram, or both. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause the video whenever you need to. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile that has access to your business assets. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you should see your business home dashboard with an overview of your pages and recent activity. From this home screen, look for the option that says Create Post. It's usually near the top or on the left-hand side. Click Create Post to open the Post Composer. This is where you'll design everything your audience will see. At the top of the Composer, you'll see a drop-down that shows where this post will be published. Click on that drop-down. Here you can choose to post to Facebook, Instagram, or both at the same time. Select the accounts that make sense for this particular piece of content. For example, if it's a square image that works well on both platforms, choose both. If it's more text-focused and better suited for Facebook, you might only select that. Next, decide what type of media you want to add. If you're sharing an image, click on Add Photo. A file picker will open, and you can select one or more images from your computer. Give it a moment to upload, and you'll see a preview appear in the Composer. Make sure the image looks clear and properly cropped. If you're sharing video content instead, click Add Video. Again, choose the file from your device. Video uploads can take a bit longer, especially if the file is large, so be patient and wait for the preview to finish processing before moving on. Once your media is in place, click into the text field and type the caption or message for your post. This is where you can add your main copy, any relevant hashtags, and a call to action. Keep it clear and aligned with your brand voice. You can also double check spelling and grammar here, since this is exactly what your audience will read. Now decide when you want the post to go live. If you'd like to schedule it for later, look for the option that lets you set a date and time. Turn on that toggle. A calendar and time selector will appear. Choose the day and time you want your post to publish. This is especially useful if you want to post at times when your audience is most active, even if you're not online. After you've chosen your date and time, click on Schedule. This confirms that the post will automatically go out at that moment. If you change your mind and prefer to publish immediately, simply turn off the scheduling toggle. With scheduling disabled, you'll now see the option to publish. Click Publish to send your post live right away. And that's it. You've learned how to create, customize, and either schedule or publish a post directly through Meta Business Suite.